por baban Khasi awan lam shipi da unang yalam news.
Cabinet Minister Uti Muthi Dishira Ulayro Yakarai Jong Sorkar pan pelong yak tin Khasi batkaro kum ka compulsory subject pan pule hagi school primary hapo kajala Meghalaya baki school ha Khasi hel kin pule lang ro yak tin karo bat kumjuro hagi school hakaro hel kin pule lang yak tin Khasi nakliang jo menteri ulapan pa bakane ka jingyo ban pule yak subject Khasi hakaro bat yak subject karo ha Khasi jantia kanang pen klan yak jia dei but kajing jan kijat benre kibashong apo Meghalaya.
It's a good thing that in the Garo school also, if Khasi is learned, and in Khasi primary school, if Garo is also learned, then say it will be a factor which will get the what is called the filling up filling up brotherhood, and it will bring more it will be much more fruitful, you see, that will strengthen the what is called the relation between the Khasi and the Garo and Jantia also. That's a good thing. We want that because you see, once the language, you see, we can speak and communicate with each other, that strengthen the relationship, no?
Subscribe ka channel unang yalam news. Kumle shibu.